Welcome back. NAMI is a national grassroots organization that's helping improve the lives of those affected by mental illness. The local chapter in Mobile wants to raise awareness by inviting you to a special walk with lots of family activities. Susan Nelson Picard and Sherry Coker are here to tell us about the walk and the work NAMI is doing. And you're wearing some beautiful masks. Tell everybody why you're wearing the mask.
Yes, thank you. We are here to unmask mental illness. So, together.
I love it. Those are so pretty. Let's give everybody a little bit of background about NAMI. What is it?
NAMI is the National Alliance on Mental Illness, and we are the largest grassroots organization for mental illness in the nation. We have chapters in both Mobile and Baldwin County.
So how did you come to be in association with NAMI?
I recently became a volunteer for NAMI because I have a loved one who is diagnosed with mental illness. And in my search for answers, I went on the internet and I saw an alphabetical list of mental illnesses. Just under the letter A, there was Alzheimer's that affects the elderly, autism that affects children, and anxiety disorders that affects everyone in between. And it was like a bell went off and I thought, wow, I have a phobia. But that phobia doesn't stop me from going to work and being a productive member of society. But what if it did? What if I couldn't feed and clothe myself, or if I were homeless? And better yet, what if people were afraid of me? And I thought, you know, I've got to do something. I've got to get on board. I felt like I was back in school and someone said, get out your yellow highlighter, pay attention, and let's get to work. And I feel like a great way to do that is by taking advantage of the free programs that NAMI offers. We have different programs like peer-to-peer, which is for people who are actually coping with mental illness. There's the Basics program, which is for parents who have children who are suffering from mental illness. And then there's also Family for Family, which is for the families to be able to connect to other families and share their stories and hopefully find a way to improve their lives. The next thing we're doing is the NAMI Walk, which is coming up May 17th, and Susan can tell you all about that. It's a great way to get on board and to get to work and start to help improve the lives of people who are coping with mental illness.
Susan, tell us about the walk.
Well, all these great programs that Sherry was talking about cost money. Although they are free to charge to the people who participate, it costs money to produce them. So we raise money. We are raising money via a walk. It is a national program. There were 87 walks last year over the country that raised $10 million for mental health. However, this is the first and only official NAMI walk in Alabama, so Mobile's pioneering the way. It'll be at Spring Hill College May 17th. We start off in front of St. Joseph's Chapel and have a beautiful walk. It's a 5K. So people can walk the whole 3.2 miles, or there's an abbreviated route if they need it. And you know, Spring Hill campus is beautiful. We're praying for really good weather. So we hope to have a lot of fun. It's really a celebration of all we've accomplished in the community and celebrating hope and the help that's available to people who are living with mental illness.
What types of activities will be there?
Between registration at 8 and the walk kickoff at 9, we'll have all kinds of things for the kids. We'll have a face painting clown and a bouncy inflatable castle that the kids can work off some energy in. For parents, there'll be refreshments, of course, and we have health screenings, and we'll have a DJ and aerobic warm-ups and things like that. So we're celebrating between 8 and 9. And then Gina Gregory, our honorary chairperson, will kick off the walk at 9 o'clock.
How can people participate?
Well, there are a lot of ways to participate in the walk. We are still looking for sponsorships, for walker incentive prizes, and of course people can walk. They can come out there and show their support and walk. Walking is a form of support for us. And you can go online and donate at www.namiwalks.org/Mobile. You can donate online. You can even become a virtual walker online if you can't be at Spring Hill May 17th.
And registration is the day of the race at 8 o'clock.
It's the day of the walk. There is no fee to register. So even if you can't contribute money, you can contribute by supporting us in the walk.
Okay, thanks so much for coming on and telling everyone about it. We're going to put all this information on fox10tv.com under the Studio 10 tab.